2016 Colorado work truck. Low miles, as we talked about in the drive video. It does have a little bit of mud on it, so that's not paint or anything like that. It's just mud from the puddle we hit. Little bit of like paint flaking, but most people looking at this are not gonna care. Tires still have some decent tread on them. Steel wheels, nice solid rockers. Interior is clean. You have hard wearing vinyl seats. Plenty of cargo room in the back there. And like I said, you can always pull that rattly shelf out unless you want it. Really nice cargo cover here. You can see the bed's nice and solid. No real body damage to the truck. So if you're looking for a good work truck at a great price, consider bidding on this, because this is a nice shaped vehicle that is ready to go. Take care. Good morning. So today we're driving this really sweet 2016 Colorado work truck with only 133,000 miles. This thing is ready to go. Very clean inside. Has a package shelf in the back. That's what you'll hear rattling. It can be easily removed if you don't want that. Has a tonneau cover on it. This thing has been checked out, has cold AC, and is ready to go for private use or work truck. I mean, that's what it was originally used for. Clean body, clean undercarriage, nice powerful engine, and that banging is this shelf. So you can either remove it or tighten it down. So if you're looking for something like this, this is a great one to consider. Thanks for looking, and don't forget, like and subscribe so you can see all the great stuff that we have coming up. Take care and happy bidding. Undercarriage of the Chevy Colorado. Somebody took care of this because it is nice and clean. Frame looks great. Some very slight surface corrosion around the drain plugs, but this is pretty amazing actually. Control arms look great. Possibly a little seepage on the tranny. Pan gasket looks like, but minimal. This is a solid looking truck.